Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass QuickBooks Certification Exam Easy Guide. Start by mapping the exam outline and prioritizing high-weight topics, then schedule focused study blocks. Use official practice tests to identify weak areas and plan short daily reviews. Master a few common workflows in the software so you can work quickly during the exam and reduce costly mistakes while maintaining steady time management. Build a simple, repeatable study plan that fits your life and keeps momentum. Balance active practice in QuickBooks with short lessons and timed practice exams to simulate real conditions. Use practice files to recreate scenarios like payroll setup and Form 1099 preparation, and review mistakes promptly. Aim for steady improvements in accuracy and speed, and reward milestones to keep motivation high as exam day approaches. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for durable socks with a lifetime warranty, which are great for marathon study days. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair before exam week. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. On exam day, use clear, calm strategies to optimize performance and confidence. Begin by scanning the exam to gauge question types, then answer straightforward items first to build momentum. Flag tougher questions and return with fresh focus, and avoid changing answers unless new information justifies it. Keep steady pacing, take brief breathers between sections, and use familiar keyboard shortcuts to save time while maintaining accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.